Hello and welcome. In today's lesson we're going to look at how we can put our scales that we've looked at in previous lessons. So far we've looked at them on static chords such as minors or our dominants and our majors. Today we're going to look at how we can connect the scales and play them over cliched chord progressions that are widely used in most forms of music, and it should give your playing a slightly jazzy edge to it. So we're going to look at a series of 2-5-1s, 2-5-1-6. We're going to look at 3-6-2-5s, and we're going to look at minor keys, etc. First of all, we should get tuned up. So here's my low E. Our A string. Our D. G. B, and finally our high E string. There we have it. Now let's recap for a moment, and we'll look at how we're going to approach playing on each chord individually, and then we'll put it together and some of our solo approaches. Let's take a look at our A minor. In previous lessons I told you the importance with 5 ways at which we can play it. The A way, the G way, the E, the D way, the C way, and that takes us back to our A way. So we have 5 windows in which we can build our scales and hopefully connect them. So in each window what we want to be able to do is play the arpeggio. Let's have a look at A minor to start now. The root, minor third, 5th and flat 7. That's our 4 notes that make up the chord. Let's look at it on the 2nd octave. That's our 4 main notes of the chord. We want to be able to add the 3 colors. The 9, the 4 or 11, same note, the 9 being the same as the 2. If you're in any doubt with the intervals, just think of the formula 7 and. So 7 and 2, so the 9 would be the same as the 2, the 11 would be the same as the 4, and our 13 or 6. There's our 6, 13. Okay, so with the mixture of the notes, as you can see, quite musical. Now what I would urge you to do is to listen to the 3 colors, try and get familiar with them. Our 10th note, the sweet note of the 9th, and the bluesy note of the 4th or 11th. Now at this point you could take all the ideas that you get, and you could then transpose them into the next form up, which would be the E form. So every idea that you had possibly, mimic it. So now we'll extend it over the 2 forms. So and on it goes. We could extend it now to our ideas. think you're getting the picture now. We could move on to same arpeggio. Add the colours. As I'm playing here, I'm seeing the framework of the C form of A minor, and I'm working inside that area. And finally, the A form, our 10th note, just like our sweet note. Hopefully I'm playing slowly enough for you to see some of those movements. So that would be our first step to recap, to make you aware of the notes of the A minor with the colours.